Meet John. Like you, he's a small business owner. And, like you, John struggles with enough customers. And it hurts his work because John has no revenue growth, rising costs, and there are bills to pay. Poor John, he could scream. That is before animated explainer videos. Animated explainer videos solved all those problems for John. John has more time, John has more money, and John has more customers. And John's excited because he knows the biggest companies in America use this same strategy. So he goes to Sly Dog Production to order his explainer video. Wow, look how happy John is. Order your explainer video today for just $149 from Sly Dog Production.
Created using Powtoon.